Everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Iris. So today, guys, we are going to be doing this, and we're going to be opening these little fidget candy packages. And yes, guys, if you want to buy one, and you're trying to look everywhere, I actually made these, so I'll do a tutorial how to make these. Alright, anyways, before we hop to this video, make sure you smash that subscribe and turn notifications so then you'll be notified for every video that I post. And don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. So yeah, guys, let's get into this video. Alright, guys, so we're going to shuffle these. Alright, we're gonna put the scissors off to the side. Alright, we're just going to mix them. Got my eyes closed. I'm going to pick this one. Ooh! Alright, guys, so looks like we've got, so we've got this fidget pack one. So this one's a fidget pack, this one's a candy pack. And you'll guys be like, right now, except you made these. You know what's inside? No, I do not, actually. My friend made these. He got my fidgets, all my candy, so yeah. Alright, let's open this one first. So we're just going to look at this cover. Looks like it has like a little line thing, you know. So it says fidget 2-piece pack. There's a little smile, looks like a little carrot puppet. And that one looks like a Neato, or like a stress book, or kind of like Wally something. So yeah, let's get started and open this one. Alright, so I kind of don't want to cut it from here, so I might open it from the top or no. I don't know. Yeah, let's open it from where we should. So we're just gonna turn the camera around, right? So yeah, let's get started. And open this. This is gonna be a little hard to do. Alright, let's do this. Okay, let's cut it. Ooh! Alright, guys. So we cut it. It doesn't look like it's perfect on the line, except that's alright. That's okay. So we've got our 2 packs. It's 2 packs. So you guys take the first little peek. Let's do this. Let's look at this one. Okay, so we're just gonna turn the camera around. Alright, so let's open it. Oh my god, I love this thing. Oh my god. Well, first let's feel it. It feels like something squishy. So do you guys see anything? Oh my god, okay. I'm just gonna look at it. Well, kind of like, I mean, it's very hard to. Alright, there we go. So, we almost got it with all this tape. Alright guys, do you see anything in there? And if you guys hear anything, I'm outside, so yeah. Oh! It's like this little lollipop. So that is the inside. Looks like it's full like this candy squishy. Alright. And remember guys, this is a little fidget pack, so we have the fidgets. So it's such a cute little squishy. And it has like this little keychain thing, so you could always put it anywhere you want. It's so cute. I love the little cute little face. Alright, let's go on to this one. Alright guys, so we're going to be opening this one. The second one. Looks like it feels like something that goes from here to here. You know guys? Alright, so let's open it. Oh my god. Ooh! Oh, a pop tube. A homemade miniature pop tube. Alright, this is so cute. Ready, guys? If you want me to do a tutorial how to make these, I'll put a tutorial. So, if you guys want to find it, shh. Oh, that's satisfying. Alrighty, I love these. So these are the 2 fidgets. We got a pop 2. And we've got a squishy from this one. So we're just gonna put that off to that side. So guys, we're gonna put that off to the side. And now we're going to pick from these. Alright, so they said that this one's a limited edition. So it has like 2 candies, they said, and 2 fidgets. So I'm super excited. Alright guys, let's open. I don't know guys. Alright guys, should I do, oh my god, this time. Should I do right or should I do left? Oh my god, you're gonna move these scissors. Should I do right or left? Left or right? Left or right? Left or right? I don't know guys, which one should I do? Oh no, guys. I don't know what to do. All right. We're going to go with this one. So, guys, let's open up this one. Let's just take a little look. Looks like this is the all candy one. So, it has like these random little faces on it. This little cute little bear looks like. And this cute little girl. This little girl. So, guys, let's do this. Let's cut. Alrighty, guys. So we're just gonna cut it open. Oh yeah. Sorry, guys. Alright, guys. So we cut it. Let's see what this. Let's see what candies these are. I really want to see. Alright guys, so I also have some German chocolate. So she might have picked from those or some anything. I don't know if they're going to be the same candy or like different candy, but let's do this. Alright guys, you take the first peek. Oh my god. So hard to open. Comment down below guys if I could do like a tutorial on any of these fidgets. What is that? Oh, it's like a pea popper. Ready, guys? So I'm going to put the pea in the pod. Alright. Oh, I love these things. They're called Cocoa Bonds. I can't really read it because it's in German, but you could, if you're German and you could read that, comment down below what it says. Comment down below what that says, you guys. Comment down below what that says if you are German and you could read that. So, yeah. Well, you don't even have to be German. You could just read it German. So, I mean, yeah. All right, that's what we got in the bear. Let's see what we got in the, what's it called? In the little girl. So, let's put the pea in the pod. Pop the pea in the pod. Woo! It's the same one. I love these things. So, they like have this. So if you guys haven't tried these, they have this good taste to them. They have, but I'm hearing weird sounds. That's why I'm like looking everywhere. But these like have this like cookies and cream kind of taste. There's like this white little good, like this white good stuff in it, which I really like. So yeah. Sorry, guys. Alright, guys. So, alright, guys. So, let's now open this one. So, it looks like these two are the fidgets. This one has like, oh my god, sorry, guys. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's finally happening. We are opening the... Sorry, guys. 1 second. Yeah. Alright, guys. Wait 1 second. Doing something. Alright, guys. We are going to open this one. So, looks like These are like the fidget ones. These are like candies. So this one looks like it has this little candy on it. I'll be right back, you guys. Will be a part 2 coming for this one, but yeah guys, so don't forget to subscribe, turn notifications, and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye guys.